Hello, and welcome to Matt on Everything. I'm hoping to start a new series today where we tackle $5 DIY projects that you can do in only a few minutes. If this goes well, I hope to do a lot more of these over the summer. Before we get into today's project, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I upload a new video. For today, we're going to be learning how to make a tree well for $5. To complete this project, you only need a few things. You'll need a can of spray paint, some string, and one bag of mulch. If you don't have spray paint, you can use anything that you can kind of mark the ground with, chalk, maybe a marker if it's a black marker with a really thick tip. To get started, take your piece of string and tie it around the tree trunk. Next, tie the other end of the string around your can of spray paint or your chalk or your marker or whatever you're using. The length from the tree to the paint should be about the width of the tree canopy. Take your paint and moving in a circle around the tree, mark a perfect circle on the ground. Now that we have this perfect circle, take your edger, and if you don't have an edger, that's okay. You can use a shovel and dig all around the circle to get your perfect circle dug out a little bit. You don't need to go down too deep, just a few inches is fine. Spend a few minutes to remove any weeds, existing mulch, and to generally scrape back the soil so that you have a small sunken hole around the tree. Finally, take your mulch and pour it into the hole. Spread it around so that it's nice and even and it goes all the way to the edges of your nicely edged tree well. One thing to make sure is you don't want the mulch to go too high up the main trunk of the tree. Definitely pull this back a little bit so that there's a gap. If you put it too high up, you're going to actually choke the tree and it won't do as well. And that's it. Take a look at the before picture and the after picture to see what a big difference that made. This only took about 5 minutes to do and it cost less than $5 to complete. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment below letting me know which project I should tackle next.